Hello, are you having problems removing your ignition key from your Chevrolet Equinox? I'm going to show you how you can actually do that. I have found most of the time when this happens, it is due to low voltage on a battery. So you may want to have your battery looked at. This video is to show you how to remove a stuck ignition key in your ignition. First thing we're going to do is lift the hood, close all doors. I recommend safety glasses anytime you remove a battery post. We're going to remove the negative battery post. You need a 10mm socket with an extension. We're going to use a 3A ratchet to disconnect the negative battery post. Slide back your cover. We're going to loosen the nut. You do not have to remove the nut. We're just going to loosen it enough to loosen the battery post. When your vehicle is being serviced or oil changed, make sure that your battery is checked also. This could save you a lot of problems. Again, one of the main causes of not being able to remove your ignition key is due to low voltage on a battery or corrosion on the battery post. This battery was replaced, but notice that there is still corrosion on this battery post. Place the negative battery cable cover in between the battery post and the battery cable to prevent making any contact. Now you can remove your ignition key. This video was made to help you to get your vehicle back on the road and to get it to a shop for proper repair. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe. As always, God bless.